like, share, and subscribe.
Do you know the sky is blue and clouds are white with water too? Rain falls down to help plants grow. That's how nature puts on a show. Drip drop, rain won't stop, helping plants go pop, pop, pop. Do you know the sun's so hot? It lights the earth and warms the spot. It helps to make the day so bright, and then it sets to bring the night. Sun so bright, day and night, shining down with golden light. Do you know the fish can swim? With fins and tails they dive right in. In rivers, oceans, big or small, they live beneath the water's call. Swish, swish, flip and glide, fish eat friends in oceans wide. Do you know that trees are tall? They give us shade and oxygen for all. Birds make nests and branches high. Trees are homes beneath the sky. Tall, tall, trees so green, nature's giants tall and keen. Do you know the stars at night are far away, sun shining bright? They twinkle in the Milky Way, lighting up the dark display. Twinkle, sparkle, shining far, make a wish upon the star. Now we know, facts to show, learning's fun, let's make it grow. Clap and cheer, shout parade, we'll learn something new today. May, yeah.